What up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to JesusDrawz. As we're in the holiday season, getting closer to Christmas and all that good stuff, I figured, I'm gonna start wearing basically the only holiday attire that I've got. And also do a video that's based around holidays, something Christmas related. So I figured I'm gonna go back in the day and go back to reliving Elf on the Shelf. Is Elf on the Shelf even still a thing? I remember the only time I experienced that was way back in kindergarten. But I figured, hey man, I remember this thing. Let's do something with it and draw these elves in different styles. So I figured I'm gonna draw elves in different styles. That's what this video is gonna be about. Probably gonna do one more holiday related video next week. So stay tuned for that. But without further ado, let's get started on this video. Alrighty folks, starting here with a warm-up elf first. Oh man, that is hideous. Good thing this is a warm-up drawing. I had to warm up after drawing that hideous thing. I swear the second one isn't as bad, but this was just a little freestyle, so I guess this is kind of like an elf in my style, as you would say, but I don't really be drawing elf-ass looking characters frequently, but here's kind of how I would picture it to look. Kind of looks like a dummy. I don't really know why. I guess it's just like the chubby cheeks and stuff, but this is basically how it came out. And man, I don't know about y'all, but I don't really experience Elf on the Shelf. Don't really have much to do with it in my life. Cause I don't know, I'm Mexican, and I don't really know how Hispanic cultures just feel about that. Like, do they even believe in elves and shit like that? I know Mexicans don't. They believe in other stuff, but this was all in kindergarten. This was like back in 2001 or 2000. And I just remember this was like around the holidays, man. I don't remember specifically. We were doing some activity, we were all just like sitting on the floor. I think we were doing like Duck Duck Goose. And then before I get into that story though, here's style number 2, how it would look if it was like Fairly Odd Parents character. Kind of looks like Timmy Turner in a way. It's kind of how I figured he would kind of look, but without the buck teeth and the big swoosh of hair in front of his head. But that's how he would look here. Remember, all these elves are tiny because this is how elves be. So they're all kind of like 5 inches tall. So it'd be way smaller than the Fairly Odd Parents and Timmy Turner. And but anyways, back to this freaking elf story. The one time that I ever had anything to do with my life was Elf on the Shelf. I remember we were playing the game or whatever, Duck Duck Goose or whatever. Bro, I look out the window and I see up top of the ledge where there's like the little blinds where you can like pull the little rope and they go down or whatever. And bro, there was the freaking elf just chilling on top of the ledge. And I swear, I looked away, kind of like how when you rub your eyes to see if you're dreaming or just hallucinating or seeing things that aren't really there. Bro, I look back, it wasn't there. And this all happened in a matter of like 0.2 seconds. And it was bad. And I never seen it again. I don't know if anybody else witnessed it. Well, that was just me. But here's Powerpuff Girls style elf. Personally, mine least favorite one because it just looks like a Powerpuff Girl in some freaking Christmas attire. Then I got the Peanuts Charlie Brown style elf right here. Also kind of looks just like Charlie Brown. These were more like simpler styles, so I figured I'm just gonna put all these on one page because I wanted to get more styles out. And I didn't want to fill up a whole page with these freaking simplistic styled elves. So I figured I'm gonna just place them in one page. But yeah, man, let me know in the comment section below if you guys played Elf on the Shelf when you guys were growing up. Or do you guys do that in families? I don't know. Do people be going to the store and mess with their kids and stuff? I don't know. I feel like I would probably do something like that. I'd probably make it like freak them out or something if I had the Elf on the Shelf idea. It's kind of a good idea, but it would kind of make it a little more funny, at least entertaining for myself in a way, but I don't know. But anyway, this is the Captain Underpants style right here. Dave Pikely or Pilkey, I don't know how you pronounce his name. I'm sorry if I mispronounced it. But growing up, man, I just had that kid humor sense of humor where it's like pee, poo, farts, anything like that. That kind of shit would just make me laugh. So I loved Captain Underpants, and you know I had to draw an elf in Captain Underpants style. Right here, got the Rick and Morty style elf. I was thinking it kind of looks like Rick, but this elf could also be a friend of Rick. They could just drink on the weekends, and this elf really just likes to sing Christmas carols or something. I don't even know. That's not a candy cane right there. That's his mic. Because he has the voice of an angel, and he sings like freaking, he sings like Frank Sinatra, man. That's the deal with this elf right here. And then we got this elf right here, inspired by Tom Bunk. If you don't know who Tom Bunk is, he made cartoons for, or illustrations for, Garbage Pail Kids. That's what they call them. Is like these little trading cards. I think they're still around. I remember growing up, I would see like the little trading cards that they would have at like Walmart, Target, or whatever, kind of like in the Yu-Gi-Oh section. And bro, I just like the whole idea of making parodies of popular things, like just foods, just snacks and stuff like that. It's just funny. And I figured I'll just make him kind of like looking at a package. Not a package. What is this? Freaking normal everyday? No, this is Christmas, man. It's not a package. It's a present. But he's just so fat that he can't even reach for his gifts because his arms are so small and his head's so big. And he's just got like that gross zit face, because that's just what Garbage Pail Kids and Tom Bunk style is. Alright, then right here, you know I had to draw in anime style, because you know I freaking suck at it. And I'm not really the biggest fan of drawing it. I'll watch it here and there, but I had to draw it in anime style. Now the first style I thought of was, he could be like an innocent schoolboy, you know, he thinks he's all innocent looking and stuff, but you know, deep down inside he has a burning temper and hatred for everybody, because he's an angry, short little elf. But he just puts on the you know, the facade that he's a good elf, but really he's just angry because Santa doesn't pay him shit, and you know, he feels like he should be running Christmas, and he kind of wants to overthrow Santa Claus and become the next Santa Claus. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm just kind of talking out of my ass. But right here, when he gets pissed, man, he goes super saiyan, bro. Like literally, he just gets super freaking jacked. Now remember, this elf is only like 5 inches tall. He doesn't grow, but he just gets super jacked, bro. So he could seriously do some real damage to your toes or something. And you probably don't want him around your face. Sure, you can kick him and stuff, but bro, this elf ain't playing no games, bro. This is anime elf right here. Bro, they should make an anime about that. Just like elves like fucking shit up in Santa's factory. That would be kind of funny. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about an anime based on freaking elves and their everyday life. What do they do when they aren't, you know, working on Christmas? Are they literally on vacation the rest of the year? Elf life. Elf gang. Alright, then you know I had to do for the last style a SpongeBob style. But in Bikini Bottom and just like the sea, they don't play elf on the shelf. There's no elves in the sea, man. They do play fish on a dish. Oh man, what else rhymes with fish? Fish, wish, dish, bish, rish. Oh man, that's why I'm horrible at freestyle rap. Alright, then right here I got the old markers for the old coloring portion of all these elves. Now here, my dumbass elf forgot that alcohol-based markers are just so freaking strong that they bleed through the paper, and then whack, I freaking realized, oh snap, this is bleeding through the paper and I have another drawing on the other side. And then I messed it up and figured, you know what, I'm just gonna do color pencil for this one. And say book it and call it a day. And so here's this one colored in. They're all gonna be wearing their red suits, red attire. And then for this one specifically, I decided I would go with the Stiedler watercolor brush pens. And then the rest, just color pens. Cause why not? Cause I just like color pencils, I don't even know why. But anyways, let me know in the comments section what you guys think of all these elf drawings. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. My personal favorite was obviously the freaking swole ass anime elf. And then SpongeBob. And then probably the Charlie Brown one. I like that one. So those are my top 3. My least favorite was Powerpuff Girls, then the Timmy Turner one, and then the freestyle one. But let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll probably drop one more holiday related video before the new year and all that. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to keep creating, keep it real. Take it easy. Peace and love. Until next time, y'all. Peace and love. And I am both. Oh, yeah. Peace.